There's the bell, and this tag team match is now official.
Two very talented teams here, but it takes more than just that to succeed as a tandem in WWE. You have to be completely in sync to rise to the top of this division.
Leg moonsault! Gets the tag.
This might be it right here.
Sit out, face buster.
Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them. Big knee to the midsection.
And the was a perfectly placed target. Exploder suplex, looking for the quick pin. Gets his shoulder up right before two.
He's looking to get this match won in short order.
Nothing fancy here. Backbreaker. And the steam.
Part of town here on the apron.
Nasty. The hardest part of the ring.
Hitting the edge of the ring like that can do some lasting damage to the body.
Butterfly suplex. Ooh, big forearm. Bam.
Setting up. Full vicious Russian leg sweep right into the barricade.
He's able to counter.
Into a backbreaker. Fantastic.
No way. Suicide dive.
That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Tiger suplex.
Oh, the back of the neck. What a counter. Planted down across the back.
He's lost some of his wind now. Drop kick right on point. He can end it here. Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
That's still a quick kick out at this point.
Tag made, fresh man in. Knee right to the gut. Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Shoulders down. And it's the ref who takes a hit there.
Things might be getting a little out of control.
Uh-oh. Saw that coming. Put down face first. The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Butterfly suplex.
Measured elbow drop driven down.
Switching it up. Uh-oh.
Half and half.
So he may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
3, no.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back. Punishing stretch. Oh, man, he is fired up now.
Arm wringer applied.
Down for a European arm breaker.
Vicious knee drop.
Here he comes off the tag. He reverses it. Elbow smash.
Devastating elbow.
Got him in his clutches.
He's turning the tables. Gets tagged in.
Tag is made, and here we go. Full Nelson applying. Dragon suplex.
An imposing array of offense from him here.
It is all going his way right about now. Down for a European armbreaker.
Vicious knee drop.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old air raid crash.
Will it be? Think so.
No, stops the count at 2.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge.
Boom, just turn that around. Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. He's taking a moment to feel the crowd, but he better focus on the opposition.
And 10. He did it.
Let's go.
Look out. Crossbody.
Whoa.
Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off.
Into the barricade. Bang! Oh, he slammed his face right into the barricade. He's on his heels a bit now.
Yeah, they stuck it out through this match, but it wouldn't hurt to go for the tag soon here.
And he tosses him back in now.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
Uh-oh.
Good luck getting up from that.
Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron.
Sit out, full Nelson face buster. And he's taking on a persistent assault.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here.
Tag made. Tag made.
Whoa, big stop.
He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
3. No, he kicked out.
This is amazing.
Boom, what impact. You have to think these competitors expected this to be a difficult challenge.
Even so, at this stage, things just get more and more dangerous. Fatigue starts setting in. You don't know exactly have all your wits about you. It could quickly lead to error. Face buster, goodness.
He is just reeling from that offense.
These two teams have gone to war, Cole. Of course they're going to wind up with a few battle scars.
Uh-oh.
Slingshot cross body to the outside.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep. He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Rolling elbow finds its mark.
Ouch. He's one step ahead there.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Tag is made, and he's coming in hot.
These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation. An incredible sight to see.
Placed into the corner.
Marching up the course. Slash grab. I put my money on that guy tonight.
2. And a kick out. No one saw that coming.
I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up. Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go yet.
I thought it was over. The WWE Universe thought it was over. But you got to do a little more to finally finish this. This could be big. Going up high.
No way.
Shooting star press.
Amazing, Kevin. Cue that up again.
And just like that, he sent crashing to the floor.
What a match. What a match. As the leg trap.
Crossface.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
And there's the save. And got away with that one.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. Bloody cross.
Turns the tides with a knee to the abdomen.
Down with a brain buster. That'll scramble your brain.
The ref still counting. Might be a count out. Talk about a close call.
Yeah, the referee was dangerously close to making it to 10 right there. Buster!
Tagging his partner in now. There's the takedown. And he takes up. Hoping to end it here. This is it. And they're still in this.
Going up to the top. What are we going to see here?
Dragon sleeper locked in. Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now.
Rounded down, looking for the arm. There it is, the hoverboard lock.
His partner's got to be thankful for that. What a save.
Full Nelson applied.
Yes, Dragon suplex.
There's a tag.
He was elusive there.
And he is fighting through all the fatigue.
Yeah, no time for playing around at this point, and he is fully aware of that.
Looking for the victory. 2 count. He kicked out. Oh, my God, he kicked out.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up. Boom.
Tag made.
Oh, I think something bad is about to happen to their opponent. He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing.
Look out. Oh, just completely off target there.
No, that was a harebrained idea to try that.
Was trying to find a way to attack, but completely worked out. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Ah, look at this.
Destructive arm breaker. Oh, my goodness.
He may not be aware of the count. He's got to get back in.
Back elbow blows that one.
He climbs back into the ring just in time.
That was getting close.
Back suplex right out of the apron.
Ooh. I am afraid of what we are about to see. Oh, man. Slingshot DDT off the apron. Ooh.
Look at this. Snap suplex. Justin suplex.
He has been here before, and he knows what he needs to do.
That is nasty.
Man, this is about as close as you can cut it. They're playing with fire here.
Precarious position for both superstars.
Oh, gosh.
The hardest part of the ring.
The WWE Universe luring these superstars on.
Pumping the adrenaline.
Uh-oh. Crossface. Oh, got to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
You're still doing a lot of damage, though. And roll
the leg trap. Fisherman suplex.
He needs to find his way back into the ring.
The count just keeps going up.
He's tagging out. I can't remember a tag team match in recent memory that was even close to as good as that one was. Here are your winners, the Wolfpack. Falling victim to the ref's count. This one is over.
It would have been great to see a pinfall or submission win here. Quite a shame it ended by countout.